Hi there, and welcome to Clemta. We're excited to help you start your U.S. business. In just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to incorporate and manage everything from one smart dashboard. You'll begin by selecting your company type. Most founders choose an LLC for its simplicity and flexibility. If you're planning to raise external funds or issue shares, a C Corporation may be the better fit. After that, you'll pick a state. Wyoming is popular for its fast processing and low costs, while Delaware is preferred by tech startups aiming for global growth. Next, you'll name your company and select your industry. Clemta checks for name availability and flags restricted terms, preventing delays before they happen. Once that's done, it's time to choose your package. Our plans cover everything from formation and banking to tax filings and compliance. You'll see exactly what's included, with the option to add extras if needed. No hidden fees, no surprises. After you complete the payment and onboarding, we are notified and your setup begins immediately. Based on the state you selected, your company is formed within 17 business days with a U.S. address. Then, your company's tax number, which is called EIN, typically arrives by day 30, with expedited options available. Typically, obtaining an EIN is a prerequisite for opening a U.S. bank account. However, thanks to Clemta's exclusive partnerships with select banks and financial institutions, some of our partners allow you to open an account immediately after your company is formed. No EIN required up front. This fast-track option is available only to Clemta users. And from there, Clemta keeps you compliant year-round, automating your bookkeeping, tax filings, and reporting all in one place. Start, manage, and grow your U.S. business from anywhere with confidence.